In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share an Excel file through OneDrive. Sharing files has become an essential part of our digital lives, whether it be for work, school, or personal projects. By the end of this video, you'll be able to seamlessly share your Excel files with anyone, anywhere, using OneDrive. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to start by navigating to OneDrive and signing in with your credentials. If you don't already have a OneDrive account, make sure to set one up by visiting the official site, where you can easily create an account. After signing in, you'll be taken to your OneDrive homepage. Here, you'll see all the files and folders you have saved. Now find your Excel file within your OneDrive folder. You can do this by either browsing through your folders manually or using the search bar at the top to quickly locate your file. Once you've located your Excel file, you'll want to right-click on it. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Share. At this point, you'll be prompted to make some decisions about how you want to share your file. OneDrive offers you the flexibility to decide if you want the recipients to have editing capabilities or just view access. You'll see two options: Can Edit and Can View. Selecting Can Edit allows recipients to make changes to the file, which is great for collaborative work. If you just want to share the information without any alterations, Can View is the way to go. Next, you have the choice of how you want to share your file. You can either copy a generated shareable link, which you can send to anyone via email, text, or any other communication tool, or you can directly enter the email addresses of the recipients you want to share the Excel file with. If you choose the email option, just fill in the necessary email addresses in the space provided. After you've made your selection, you'll either click Send to email the file directly or Copy Link to share it via your preferred method. And that's it. You've now shared your Excel file successfully through OneDrive. Remember, sharing documents through OneDrive not only helps in maintaining a master file, but also offers security and easy access for those you're collaborating with. Whether you're sharing with one person or a group, this straightforward process allows you to maintain control over your documents' accessibility and permissions, keeping your information safe. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this guide has made file sharing through OneDrive a whole lot easier for you. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and see you next time.